In today's rapidly advancing world of smart home technology, a diverse array of devices, from light bulbs to security systems, vie for integration into our everyday lives. According to the Consumer Technology Association, over half of U.S. households now own a smart speaker, highlighting the widespread adoption and increasing demand for connected home solutions. Navigating through the offerings of tech giants like Amazon, Google, Apple, and Samsung can be daunting, as each promotes its unique smart home platform. However, investing in these devices promises to enhance convenience and efficiency, utilizing voice control and automation to create a more connected and responsive home environment. Choosing the right smart hub depends on your existing technology ecosystem, desired features, and budget considerations. As these technologies evolve, they promise to make our homes smarter, more efficient, and more responsive to our needs. Embrace the future of smart living with confidence, knowing that these hubs can transform your daily routines into seamless, connected experiences. We have curated a list of the best smart home hubs currently. All product links are provided in the descriptions. Number 5. Roku Indoor Camera SE. Roku has leveraged its expertise in streaming devices to introduce the Roku Indoor Camera SE, catering to the growing demand for affordable yet effective smart home security solutions. Priced competitively under $100, this camera integrates seamlessly with Roku smart TVs, allowing users to monitor live or recorded footage directly on their television screens. The camera supports 1080p full-color high-definition video, ensuring clarity both day and night thanks to its night vision capabilities. Adjustable motion detection sensitivity and customizable detection zones provide users with precise control over monitoring areas, enhancing security without unnecessary alerts. One of the standout features of the Roku Indoor Camera SE is its integration with the Roku Smart TV interface, enabling intuitive control via the Roku Remote or voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This integration simplifies daily operations, from checking camera feeds to adjusting settings, all from the comfort of your couch. For enhanced functionality, a subscription service of $3.99 a month or $39.99 a year unlocks advanced features such as continual cloud recording for up to 14 days and sophisticated object detection for a person, pet, package, and vehicle. Users also have the option to locally store footage using a 32 GB microSD memory card, providing flexibility in data management and ensuring continuous surveillance even during internet outages. Roku continues to improve compatibility and user experience, addressing challenges in app integration and ecosystem compatibility. With its expansion into the smart home market, Roku maintains its commitment to affordability and accessibility, making advanced security technology accessible to a broader audience without compromising on quality and functionality. Number 4. Samsung SmartThings Station Hub. Samsung SmartThings Station Hub serves as a versatile centerpiece for smart home automation, seamlessly integrating with a wide range of Samsung smart devices and third-party products. Priced at $60, this hub not only controls appliances but also acts as a wireless smartphone charger, enhancing its practicality. Samsung's commitment to an open platform philosophy allows users to expand their smart home ecosystem beyond Samsung products, integrating devices from other major platforms seamlessly. Key features of the SmartThings Station Hub include its ability to automate routines, monitor energy consumption, and create customized scenes for various activities. This functionality is particularly beneficial for users looking to streamline daily tasks and enhance energy efficiency within their homes. The hub's compatibility extends to Samsung smart appliances, including the Family Hub refrigerator, which integrates seamlessly for enhanced functionality and control. Despite its strengths, compatibility with certain Samsung Galaxy phones and voice control via Bixby may require further refinement. Samsung continues to refine its SmartThings ecosystem, focusing on improving compatibility and user interface to deliver a cohesive and intuitive smart home experience. Samsung's SmartThings Station Hub exemplifies innovation in smart home technology, offering versatility, integration, and practicality in one compact device. As Samsung expands its ecosystem and partnerships, the SmartThings Hub remains a competitive choice for users seeking comprehensive smart home solutions that enhance convenience and efficiency. Number 3. Google's 7-inch Nest Hub. Google's 7-inch Nest Hub stands out as a multifunctional smart home device that integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem of services and devices. Priced competitively, the Nest Hub serves as a central control hub for smart devices, offering users access to over 1 million compatible products and services. Its compact design and intuitive interface make it ideal for various applications, from managing daily tasks to enjoying entertainment and controlling smart devices with ease. Key features of the Nest Hub include its support for multiple languages and dialects, catering to a diverse user base globally. Partnerships with leading security providers like ADT enhance its appeal as a comprehensive home security solution, integrating seamlessly for enhanced monitoring and protection. Users can utilize the Nest Hub to display information such as weather updates, calendar events, and video calls, leveraging its visual display for added convenience and functionality. The Nest Hub's reliance on cloud connectivity ensures optimal functionality, but may pose challenges in areas with limited internet access or latency issues. Setup and device pairing, especially with Works with Google devices, require careful configuration to ensure seamless integration and functionality across the smart home ecosystem. Google continues to innovate within the smart home space, focusing on enhancing user experience through software updates and expanding compatibility with third-party devices and services. As Google evolves its ecosystem and partnerships, the Nest Hub remains a versatile choice for users seeking advanced smart home capabilities integrated into a single, user-friendly device. Number 2. Apple HomePod Mini. The Apple HomePod Mini represents Apple's foray into smart home technology, seamlessly integrating with the Apple ecosystem through its HomeKit platform. Priced at $99, this compact smart speaker offers intuitive control over a variety of compatible devices using Siri voice commands. Its minimalist design and premium build quality make it a stylish addition to any room, capable of delivering immersive sound and serving as a hub for smart home automation. Key features of the HomePod Mini include its ability to create and manage scenes, group devices into rooms, and control multiple HomeKit-enabled accessories simultaneously. Apple's commitment to privacy and security ensures that users can enjoy peace of mind while leveraging the convenience of voice-controlled automation within their homes. However, compared to competing ecosystems like Amazon Alexa and Google Home, the range of compatible devices within the HomeKit ecosystem remains somewhat limited, which may impact its appeal to users seeking extensive device integration. Number 1. Amazon Alexa Echo Show 8. Amazon Alexa Echo Show 8 embodies Amazon's commitment to integrating voice control with visual feedback, offering users a comprehensive smart home experience. Priced at $150, this device combines the functionality of a smart speaker with an 8-inch display, enhancing usability through visual displays of information and hands-free interaction. As a central hub, the Echo Show 8 allows users to manage compatible smart devices, control entertainment options, and access a wide range of Alexa skills using intuitive voice commands. Key features of the Echo Show 8 include its ability to display information such as weather updates, calendar events, and video feeds, providing users with at-a-glance information throughout the day. The device's built-in security camera with a privacy shutter enhances its utility, offering peace of mind while maintaining user privacy. Despite its strengths, native integration with non-Amazon devices, and the complexity of device setup and pairing may require additional troubleshooting and configuration. Amazon continues to expand the capabilities of Alexa through software updates and collaborations with third-party developers, ensuring ongoing enhancements and new features for users. As Amazon evolves its ecosystem and partnerships, the Echo Show 8 remains a versatile choice for users seeking advanced smart home capabilities integrated into a single, user-friendly device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.